Hi, this is Shelly from Frugal Family Home, and today I have a Safeway and Fred Meyer grocery haul for you. So let me show you what we got on this trip. This trip I spent just a little bit under $45, so let me show you what I got for that price. Okay, so here's the items that I got on sale today at Fred Meyer. And we got quite a few items. They had a special buy 6 save $3, and then I had a few coupons loaded onto my Fred Meyer card too, so I saved quite a bit. But this is the basics of what I got. So let's go through these items first. We got a lot of snack foods today, which I don't usually buy a lot of, but they were all on sale. I'm part of the buy 6 save $3. So the Pringles here were just $1. The Wheat Thins and the Ritz, those were just $1.49. And then I had a coupon for 75 cents off up to. And the Fritos were $1.99. And the cottage cheese was also part of that deal for 89 cents. The cookies were not included, but they were $1.99, and we really like the Fred Meyer brand cookies here. The Kraft singles were $2.49, and they were part of the buy 6 save $3, as well as the cheddar cheese was also $2.49 after the sale. They had a great coupon deal for Hillshire Farms sausages. These were just $1.88, and you could get up to 5. So I bought 2 for us. They make for great dinner. We like to make these sausage sheet pan dinners, and I can link to that in the description for you if you're interested in making it. It's really good. I also bought cauliflower. It wasn't a great deal. It was $1.79 a pound, but we needed it for our sweet chili chicken. We needed some fruit, and so pineapple was on sale for $2.99 each, so we picked up one of those. The Yoplait yogurt was also a good deal. They had them 10 for $5. Then I had 50 cents off of 5, so it made it just $2 for all 5 of these. Mayonnaise was also on the buy 6 get $3 off special, and so that one was just $2.49. The dishwashing soap, I usually don't buy it here, but we were almost totally out, so I needed to get some, and that was $3.29. We have cookies. Now these cookies are in closeout, and we really like these cookies, and I'm sad to see them going, but they were $1.39, so I thought, oh, I'll get them while we can. Bananas were just 69 cents a pound. The green peppers were quite a good deal, and they looked really good, 2 for $1. The avocado, which my husband and daughter loves, were 88 cents. And the American Beauty pasta was a really good deal. It was on sale for 99 cents, and then it was also part of the buy 6 get $3 off. So then they were just 49 cents, but I also had a coupon for $1 off of 3. So I got all 3 of these for just 49 cents. So that was quite a good deal. Finally, I got 4 loaves of bread, and this bread is dairy free. And so we just needed some sandwich bread, and it was only 95 cents. So that is everything we got on my trip to Fred Meyer. So let's go ahead and take a peek at what I got at Safeway next. And at Safeway, I spent just a little bit over $36. And let's go through what we got there. Okay, and now here is the items that I got at Safeway this trip. I didn't get near as much at Safeway as I did at Fred Meyer, but I just went and picked up the things on sale. So let's start with the soy milk here. The organic soy milk was just $2.98 because I had a just for you coupon, so that saved us some money. They also had the milk on sale, just $1.99 for a gallon, so that was a good deal. And the ground beef was just $2.99 a pound. I picked up some lunch meat. This is the roasted turkey breast. And while it says $9.68, it was actually on sale for $7.99. And then I had a digital coupon for $2 off, so it actually worked out to be $5.99 a pound. So that was a pretty good buy. Then they had a special, buy 2 chips, get 3 free. So I bought the Snyder's of Hanover pretzels and the Cheeto Puffs and got 3 bags of tortilla chips for free. Also had their pan bread on sale for just 99 cents with the Just For You coupon. So I used that coupon and got those 2 for just 99 cents. Needed some hot dog buns, and these are dairy free for our family, and these were just 88 cents. And I had another coupon for Just For You coupon for a head of lettuce for $1.12. That is everything that I purchased at Safeway. So that's it for this grocery haul. I spent just under $45 at Fred Meyer and just a little bit over $36 at Safeway. And if you like these grocery hauls, I would love to have you subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.